Okay guys, what you're looking at is a sample annotated bibliography. And I'm going to walk you through how to set that up. The first thing you're going to do is your standard MLA heading at the top of the page. Your name, my name, class name, date, just like always. Okay? Then you're going to come up here as a header and you're going to put in your last name and you're going to insert page number. Make sure that you go to header under your file options or your page options, and then you can type your last name, but make sure you insert page number. Okay? Then you're going to add a very simple title. In this case, it'll say an annotated bibliography of whatever your political topic is. Again, this right here should be your political topic. Please don't get creative, just straightforward. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to create a citation. And you're going to make sure that it follows the format of MLA in its newest version. And to do that, you can go online and you can go to the OWL at Purdue and it'll tell you how to cite anything in MLA. It'll walk you through it. Okay? So you're going to find all your citation information and you're going to combine it. And you're going to create this lovely little citation just like this. One thing you need to do is make sure that it's in bold. It has to be in bold. And this thing right here is called a hanging indent. Okay, make sure you get that hanging indent. Okay, the next step is to take your political information and you're going to transform it into a paragraph. Okay, listen carefully. What you're looking for is an example of a rhetorical device that was used by one of your candidates. Did you catch that? You're looking for an example of a rhetorical device that was used by one of your candidates. And here you are going to explain what that device was, how it was used, and the effect that that device might have had on the audience. So let's just say that your topic is on gun control. And you found an article in your research when you were doing your brochure, you found an article where Hillary Clinton makes one statement about gun control. And you notice that there is ethos in that statement. So in this paragraph, what you're going to do is you're going to say Hillary Clinton used the statement, and you would insert that statement regarding gun control. This is an example of ethos because, and then you would explain, and then you would go on to tell me how that affects the audience. Okay? And it's just as simple as that. Once you have finished that paragraph, you're going to go down and you're going to go on to the next citation. And that citation is going to be in bold. Again, very simple. Make sure, though, that you follow the new format. Because if you'll notice, this right here is a web address. And the new format says, don't put in web addresses. So make sure you follow the new format. Okay? So once you get that new source put in there, and you add that in at the end of that first paragraph, then you're going to go on, you're going to do the same thing to the second paragraph. And then, when you go on, to the next paragraph and the next source. And it's just as simple as that. Now you can take a look at this, and you can take a look at all the slides, and you can see all of the notes that I've given you. And I hope you do that. Let's go back to the first slide.